Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to count the number of digits and letter in a string. This program will count the present number of letters and digit in the provided string. So let's check this program. Here in the first line, this defines a function named count digits and letters that takes a single parameter input string. The function is designed to process the string passed as an argument to it. Now, in the next line here, this initializes a variable digit count to 0. This variable will be used to count the number of digits in the given string. Now, in the next line, this initializes a variable letter count to 0. This variable will be used to count the number of letters in the string. Now, in this line, this checks if the current character is a digit, for example, from 0 to 9. Now, using the isDigit method, if it is a digit, the next line of the code is executed. Here, this line increments the digit count variable by 1 if the current character is a digit. And in the next line here, if the character is not a digit, this checks if it is an alphabetical letter from A to Z, both condition small and capital, using the isAlpha method. If it is a letter, the next line of the code is executed. And this line increments the letter count variable by 1 if the current character is the letter. Now, in this line, after the loop finishes, this returns the value of digit count and letter count as a tuple. These values represent the total number of digits and letters found in the string. Now, in the next line, this line prompts the user to enter a string and stores it in a variable named user input. Here, this line calls the count digits and letter function with user input as the argument. The function returns two values, the count of digits and letters, which are stored in the variables digits and letters. Now, in the next line here, this line displays the number of digits found in the string using an F string, and the value of the digit is dynamically inserted into the output message. And in the last line, this line displays the number of letters found in the string using an F string, and the value of letter is dynamically inserted into the output message. So let's check this program. Hence, we have to enter a string, and to check the number of digit present in it, we will enter some of the digits also. Hence, the number of digits in the given string are 3 and the number of letters are 6. So, thanks for watching this video.